Alright, we're going to be doing an install of the Lasfit Autolighting H13s on a 2017 F250. So this is one of the boxes that it comes in. Here's the other. And we're going to go on and get started here. Alright, so we're going to be pulling all the different plastic tabs off along the front of the truck. Alright, so the next thing we have to do here is we have to pull off the plastic shroud and it'll come off. Next thing, there's 8 10mm bolts along the front that hold in the grill. Alright, so in order to take off the grill, you have to kind of pull hard on it. Alright, so there's 10mm bolts in here and down here. You gotta take those out. And then one right back in here on the side. Kind of hard to get an angle of it with the camera. So we're gonna cut away so we can get it out. Okay, so in order to pull the light out, just gotta pull away. Alright, so you have to have a special tool in order to engage the plug. It's kind of difficult. Alright, now you just twist out the light, pull it out, take the Lasfit bulb, line it. Connect the end. Okay. Gasket. Now let's see if it works. There we go. Nice and lit up. Alright, now in order to put it all back together, you just reverse everything that we did to take it off. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please put it in the comment section below. Alright, so I didn't finish off the video for the Lasfit Autolighting. So I just want to show you guys what they look like real quick. I know it's not nighttime, but nevertheless, they are bright. I've tested them over the past like week or so, 2 weeks, and they're pretty rad. So that's what we're looking at here. Overall, I like them. I think they're definitely something that if you have an F250, you should definitely check out. Thank you so much, Lasfit Autolighting, for sending these lights over. I'm going to have a link in the description below. And on Instagram, I'm going to have them tagged in this post. So yeah, until next time, this is Eric with Silver Bullet, and we'll see you next time.